Hello, my name is Ibrahim Mukaila and I am an instructor with Sakat Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to take out a single data set and refresh that single data set on its own rather than refreshing everything. By default, when you need to refresh your data set in Power BI, what you need to do is to come down to these queries and click on refresh. And this refreshes all the data sets that I have in my reports. But that might not be practical at some times. So let's say I have 15 tables in it, and each of them is about, let's say, 15 million rows, and it take average like 30 minutes to refresh all of them. However, I now need one table that is about just 10 rows and it takes like 2 seconds to refresh, and that's the only table I need to refresh. It's not practical to refresh everything, so I need to know how to refresh that single table and then just go on with my work. So how do I do that? It's as simple as saying go to that table that you want to refresh. In this essence, I want to refresh my office table. So if I go and show my data and I click on office, I will see I have just a few, just 7 rows here. But if I check things like my other details, I have a long list, not so long here, so just about 3,000 rows. But in your case, in most scenario case, it could be 10 million rows and like that. So to refresh this office alone, go to office, right click on it, and click on refresh data, and it only refresh that office rather than refreshing everything, and we're good to go. If I need to refresh everything, I'll need to go to refresh and click on it, but I don't want to do that. So this is how to refresh just a single data set out of all the data set that I have in my report.
See you in the next tutorial. Until then, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell to get updates on new videos, and share this video with your friends. Bye for now.